What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. And man, have I got a video for you. I bet you're like, all right, he's about to whip out another killer day. Look at him over there on the screens, already up almost $600 before he's even shown us the trade that he's about to show us. Well, guys, I have some bad news for you. Daniel done did misbehave this morning. And I fucking lost all this money and a fair bit more, man. Today's topic is revenge trading, bro. Revenge trading. I haven't done it in a while. Well, that's not true. I did it last month, and I took a serious fucking loss last month. So, yeah, man. I guess do we just get into it, or should I show you my final P&L? I never actually even took an image of my final P&L. We'll see it at the end of this bad boy. So anyway, we're going to go through the trade, guys, demonstrate my my revenge trading, and then I'm going to show you my trader view for the week and tell you why, even though I lost over $1,000 fucking on this trade, man, revenge trading, it doesn't fucking matter, because when you look at the stats for the week, right, it's just, it doesn't touch it, man. It doesn't touch it. So anyway, here we go. Let's get right into the video, bro. So, let's see. Where are we here? Okay, so I'm still in this BABA trade. So I was in this BABA trade here, man. I was looking for that pullback. I kind of got in under 202, 201, and 201.50 is kind of when I started getting in there. But then I looked up and I saw Tesla. Tesla had come up, tested its 15-minute, was ready for a 1-hour breakout, and I was ready to fucking destroy this thing. So I went ahead and just sold my BABA because I was like, you know what? It's just too much to focus on. I can't focus on Tesla and BABA. Little did I know, BABA, oops, sorry, bang the mic. BABA is going to be the one that fucking ends up going, and Tesla is not. So I'm watching this Tesla, guys. I'm looking for this thing to dip under, sure, I don't know, 800. So 800, 799, 798. That's kind of the area where I want to kind of get into my position. And I want you guys to fucking watch this video, bro. And I want you guys to see if you notice anything different about the way I'm trading this particular fella versus how I might normally trade. For example, the strike. What strike am I in? I'm in the 810s on a fucking Friday, bro. I know I'm averaging into around 798 is about where I want to end up getting into this thing, right? But that means I'm going to be $12 out of the money before this thing goes. Something else. Did you guys notice anything about that purchase I just made? That buy on Tesla? Did you notice how for some reason, despite the fact that I always enter my positions in 1-lot increments, did anybody else notice the fact that I just got a fucking 3-lot filled on my hotkey for a 1-lot? All of a sudden, right, it's $800. I'm still planning on averaging in more. I was planning on getting up to a 4-lot. I'm planning on averaging in all the way down to 798, and look, I'm already down $100, $115 in a 4-lot position, right? And even though the stock still looks good, now I'm down $200, bro. So what do I do in this situation? What should I be doing? What I should be doing, just so you guys know, I should be looking to get the fuck out of this thing for break even for most of that position. I should be looking to dump 3 of these shares at break even if at all possible, bro. And then if I want to stick in that one, that's fine, and I can average in if it pulls back to that 798 again. What do I decide to do instead of doing any of that? Well, I guess you guys are about to find out. If you guys think this tape looks fast, it is, man. I have the video sped up to 2 times because, you know, sure, fuck it. Like, it's a long thing. It's 2 trades. So this is the initial trade and then the revenge trade, which takes away the rest of my money. So, I mean, it's good to watch, man. It's good to watching the tape. But here we go, coming back down into that 798 area. So this is where I wanted to be able to start slamming in some size. But I'm already in a 4-lot. I'm already in a full position here, guys. So what am I going to do? That's what I did. Oh my God. I bought a 3-lot, bro. I bought another 3-lot, bro. So now I'm in for 7 contracts on a $10 out of the money, today expiring fucking Tesla. Dude, as I'm saying this right now, I can just feel the ridiculousness. I can, like, what the fuck, bro? But now I'm in a 7 lot, dude. So now I'm up at 1800 or 800, around that. The tape looks okay, right? But I'm down 250 fucking dollars, dude. Like, what? And this, guys, comes back to why it is so fucking important to manage your goddamn size. Okay, guys, that hotkey, right? Literally, right now I should be in a 3 lot. I should be in a 3 lot or a 4 lot, right? And right now, if I was in a 3 lot and a 4 lot and I'd averaged in the way I wanted to, I would be up on this position. I'd be up 100, 200 bucks, right? This is the move I was looking for. This move back to 801, back to 803, right? But instead, now I'm just break even. And now I'm down 100 bucks. It's just crazy, man. It's crazy. This option didn't hold its value at all. Why? It's Friday, and it's $10 out of the money. That's why. I should have picked the 805s. But you know what? It is what it is. Now, you guys are going to see the biggest mistake of this entire thing in just a moment. I sold 1. I sold 2. I sold 2, okay, of my 7 lot for basically break even, and then I'm letting the rest ride. I'm looking for that break over 805. Normally, that's okay, right? Normally, if I'd average it appropriately, that's the perfect thing to do. Take off a little bit of size, let the rest run, and let's see this fucker rip. The problem, guys, the issue, right, is my average. I don't know if you guys can see where I'm getting all these fills, right? My average is fucking horrible. My average is 330. You know what I mean? It's 330, 333, some shit like that. Guys, that is a horrific average. I'm literally only just barely over break even. You know what I mean? I'm only 30 cents over break even if you hit the bid, and this thing has already moved $4 in my favor from the bottom. That's a bad situation to be in, guys, right? And now I'm sitting here and I'm saying, fuck, I got 4 contracts at Tesla. If this thing busts 805 and runs, man, bro, I could probably make $1,000 on this. I could probably make $1,000. You know what I mean? A $5 run into the money, bring this out of the money option into the money. Bro, you can make $1,000 off that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sitting here waiting. And then what else happened? My brother came in. So I'm chatting away with my brother, showing him this trade, right? But I'm not really watching the tape aggressively. So I've stopped watching the tape aggressively. I'm in oversized on a bad average, and I decided I want to hold balls to the wall all the way up to 805. What's going on here? You know what I mean? If you look at my daily P&L right now, 268, my unrealized is 215. I'm out of almost half my position, and still my entire profit is unrealized. Right? So now we're coming into that 803. We're finding trouble, man. We're hitting a bit of resistance up here, right? 803, hitting that resistance, gonna come back down, retest 800. What do I do now? See, right, and right there, dude, it's $2 in the, no, guys, it's at 801. I got my best fill down towards 798, guys. I'm out. I'm fucking losing money. I'm $3, $4, right? And I'm fucking losing money on this thing. So I'm starting to ditch this position. I'm like, okay, I made a fucking huge mistake. I need to start getting out of this thing, But then I can't. Why can't I? Because in my head, I'm still thinking about that 1K trade on this fucking Tesla because, hey, every time it comes down, it's being bought up. People are bidding it up. That's true, right? This looks great for a run, man. People are bidding this thing up. It looks great for a run. The problem is when it doesn't look great for a run anymore, right? What do? You get the fuck out, bro, and you stay out until the tape changes, until it tells you something new, okay? Anyway, we're dumping back down here. Coming back down towards 800. Now, let me ask you guys, what do you think that I'm going to do as we go under 800, we flush 800, and retake it? What do you think that this guy right here decided to do? I decided to add to my position. Again, normally this is A-okay because typically, right, I'll have taken off 3/4 of this shit or half of this shit all the way up into 803. Been waiting for a pullback to add in on that 1 lot, regain a full position size, and then watch this thing rip. Right? But again, that's not what happened. I'm not taking these profits. Do you know what I mean? So sitting here waiting, watching. And a 3 lot, guys, on Tesla, same day expiry, $10 out of the money. That is a large enough position, right? That is definitely a large enough position. So I'm sitting here watching it. Getting kind of bored watching it right now. So let's skip forward a little bit. And oh my gosh, we're starting to see a bit of weakness. We're failing that 803 multiple times, bro. That 803, 803.50 multiple times. Boom, flushing down into 800. And guys, again, right, at this point, this should be my break-even point on this option if I had averaged it appropriately. Instead, I'm down to half size, and I'm fucking down all the way. And what did I do, dude? I flushed 800, came back over, and I got, what did I get? Did I get a 1 lot? No. I got another fucking 3 lot, dude. Right? One issue with my hotkey setup has ended up leading me down the road of just going nuts on Tesla, man. Just going way nuts. Way nuts. Look at that, down 450. Gonna be down 500 here in a minute, right? But I'm still looking at this tape and I'm still waiting. And the thing is when you're reading tape, you have to test levels, react to levels, respond to levels, right? You have to see reactions. So you can't just sell on a sell-off. You have to watch. Is it going to continue to sell off, or are we looking like we're bound to bounce back here? So boom, looking like we're bound to bounce back. But even, guys, look now. We're over 800, and my option is still down $300. Wow. We got a lot of size coming in on that 800. And I'm looking to see if we can break it, move through it aggressively. We fill it, we print it, we're going up higher. But we just can't do it, man. We kind of move around here for a while, and eventually this thing ends up selling off, and I take the L. So I'm going to kind of skip ahead to that, so that this video doesn't get too long. So still in for 6 there, guys. Still in for 6, and now you see trying to get out of here, and there you go. I'm out. Filled a 221. $469 loss on Tesla. So now I'm up $100 on the day. Now I got a decision. What do I do? What do I do? Do I look around for some other options? Maybe. Amazon looks pretty weak. Market looks pretty weak. But yet Tesla just took $470 out of my pocket. That's how I feel. Not true, but that's how I feel. And I say, you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. As soon as I got out, look, this Tesla tape looks good. Now we're starting to retake 798. Right? Now we're starting to look at 799. Right? Now we're starting to push back up. See, there it is, 799, retaking 799. Looks like we got a couple bidders, not much, but a couple bidders. Boom, and I get in, and of course, immediately, they flush this thing back under 798. Now, notice this time, guys, my hotkey worked, and I got a 1 fucking lot. Notice that time my hotkey got me a fucking 3 lot. Notice I ordered 2 because I thought it was going to be a 1 lot. Now I'm in for 7. I'm in a fucking 7 lot in Tesla again, right? When nothing changed at all, the tape is the exact fucking same, right? Battling that 797, 798, still looking weak, bro. Still looking weak, right? I'm immediately down another 100 and some bucks. And I got another 3, bro. Oh. Dude, this hurts my soul to watch. Like, I'm such a fucking twat. It's the most unbelievable fucking thing. Like, dude, I'm telling you, man. But, like, it's funny because I had a feeling coming into today, man. I had a feeling. I've had a savage week. I've had an unbelievable run for the last 2 weeks. I've had just a disgusting run. And I knew a red day was coming, and my only concern the entire time was, can it be controlled? Can I control the red day when it comes? And luckily enough, man, I had made enough money before I got caught up in this shit that this didn't hit me that hard. But you still have to think about it, man. That's a 10%. I took a 10% cut on my account, right? Or I think it ends up being a 7% because it's a little less than 600. But guys, it's a cut. It's a hit, you know. But it's all about taking those hits, reacting, and coming right back. So as you guys can see, I'm in a fucking 10 lot here. And what am I thinking? Am I thinking, okay, time to start covering this thing into 800 because that's resistance? No. I'm thinking I need to bring this thing back to 803, make all that fucking money back and more. And yet I'm down another 300. Wow. Dude, you guys have no idea, man. I was feeling like such a fucking cum bucket when this was going on, dude. I felt like I was on my knees and the market makers were just standing over me, bro. Just fucking nothing in my mouth, dude. That's how I felt when I was fucking taking this, dude. I was taking this Tesla up the ass, dude. It was a fucking, So just imagine me sitting here sipping on my coffee, trying to be cool, watching, the last 2 hours of work melt away. And look now, guys, I'm down $700 on Tesla for the day. Whew, that tape's looking weak, bro. That tape is looking weak, dude. We can't hold anything. We couldn't hold 799. We couldn't even touch 800. Now we're barely holding 798, right? We see size coming in at 798.32, and that's what I was watching, okay? If we flush through that 798.32, guys, we're going to be fucked. You see that right there? And boom, right there, gone, printed, gone, boom. Now we're under 798. Into 798. All right, and then we're going to flush, and it's just like, oh. And so watching all this, guys, look at my unrealized, 77. That's when I need to start ditching. I can see this tape looks like shit. This is shitty tape, right? Because the thing is it's not going to go right now anyway. I can tell, looking at this tape, it's not going to go. It's going to test 800 and reject, then 803 and reject, and then it'll try and move over 805, but then it's going to reject there too. So I know this thing isn't going to rip faces. I know it's a Friday. I know my shit's now fucking $13 out of the money. And I'm just sitting in it. You know what I mean? I'm just sitting in it, fucking hoping and praying. That's all I'm doing at this point, man. I'm not even bothering to read this fucking tape because this tape sucks. This tape is a disaster. This tape is bad news for Dano. And there you go. I went to try and sell, and I bought another fucking 3-lot. And there you go. Took $1,000. $1,000. 1,077, some shit like that. How Tesla, you dirty fucking dog. That's my P&L for the day, guys. Minus 470. Now, a couple things to think about. How I traded this wrong. One, that strike was bullshit. 805. It had to be the 805 one, man, and I didn't do that, which was a huge mistake. That 805 would have absolutely grown in value significantly more on that move through 800 back to 803, and I definitely could have walked away with some serious profits, even if I had accidentally come in oversized, simply because it was closer to being in the money on a Friday. You're not going to have that same kind of decay. So there's the strike. Then there's the size. What the fuck, IB? Why is my hotkey giving me different fucking sizes every time I fucking use it? That is bad. That is very bad. It's probably a settings error on my part, but that's a fucking disaster, bro. That can get me in a fuckload of trouble, especially, right? Imagine, guys. Imagine I was trading SPX contracts, right? There's about fucking $2,000 a fucking contract, bro. That's my whole account. If I got a 3-lot into SPX, bro, that would be my whole account. And I can guarantee you that SPX would fucking decay on me dramatically before it moved in my favor. It always does. It's just the way SPX trades. So, man, not great. But hey, I'm not super bummed. I lost $470 today. At that rate, guys, that's about $100,000 a year if I lose that every day. But why am I not bummed? Let me tell you why I'm not bummed, guys. Because the rest of my week and last week was fucking epic. Let me go ahead and pull up my... Let me see here. Year 2020. Here we go. Cool. So we're going to go ahead and just pull up my calendar for May. So, guys, I haven't had a losing trade since last Thursday. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 5 green days. Oh, there we go. There we go. I had 5 green days. Right? And over those 5 green days, guys, I made about $3,000. 1,000. That'd basically be about 2,000. 4. Yeah, 3,000. $3,000 made since Friday. And I took a $500 haircut today. So that means this week, man, I've basically still made $2.5K. At that rate, I'm looking at a $100,000 year trading. $2.5K a week. All right, we're talking 50 trading weeks in the year. 50 trading weeks in the year. If you take out the holidays and shit. That's pretty good. So I'm not super upset about it. The reason other reason I'm not super upset about it, guys. Let me go ahead and show you the last drawdown I had. So we'll go ahead and filter this from the start of April. Right? Let's go ahead to detailed overview. I don't want calendar. I want you guys to look at this shit, bro. This is the last time I revenge traded. This is what happened. This is what happened, guys. I lost $3,500 in one day on Amazon. This is what happened, guys. That entire month of profits gone, plus over $1,000. Right? That was big. That was hard. That was heavy. That hurt really badly. That was the last time I revenge traded. The pullback for this time, right, on my cumulative P&L since the start of the month, guys, instead of going all the fucking way down and under into the negatives, I'm going to pull back from 4,300 right to 3,800 right here. That's it. Small pullback, and you better believe we're going to continue to rip higher. Check out my win percentage in the last couple days. 100%. Wrecking it, bro. Wrecking it, bro. Right? I'm trading well. I know I'm trading well. I know it's a Friday, and I know Fridays fuck me up pretty frequently, to be honest with you, because Fridays are tough, guys. With those lotto tickets, Fridays are fucking tough. They decay like fucking crazy if your thing doesn't move right away. If you're trading weeklies, guys, and you get a choppy day, man, you could literally blow your entire account on a Friday. I've done it before. One Friday, blown an entire account. Not that hard to do. Not that hard to do. So I'm still working on how I want to trade Fridays better. I had a great Friday last Friday. So, I had a great Friday this Friday until this Tesla situation. So I think I got a good handle on it. And it just comes down to making sure I'm not overstaying my welcome, especially on a Friday that volume dies down pretty quick. So that's it, guys. That's the fucking video. Revenge trading, live revenge trading, man. If you guys revenge trade, comment below. Let me know what happens, how it goes, and, if that usually ends well for you or not. Because I can guarantee it probably fucking doesn't. Doesn't end well for any of us. But anyway, guys, like, subscribe, comment, all that shit. It helped me out a ton, just so I know I'm giving the right kind of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the commentary. I'm probably going to do a live stream at some point over the weekend, looking at stocks and looking at what I want to get into. But otherwise, guys, fucking enjoy your weekend, man. Friday, it's the end of the trading week. Make sure you get some time off. Important to study charts, guys, but also definitely important to get that time off and recover. So have a great day, guys. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll chat with you soon.